Hatu PCN ya ka jingduna jong ka AMH hapo ka blood report jong pi. AMH kade ka anti-mullerian hormone ka bapenmi ekisambai jong pi. Kade ka jingpen ya ka jingdon jong kisambai ha ka tu ka por. Kam ya thu sendan ne kilat jong ka pregnancy. Wat lada ka AMH jong pi kade point 2. Wat la ka taru pidang dan ya kalat ban yok hun.
Menteri Rangba Kejelam Megalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula pentikna baan penlong ya ka konsert jong Bryan Adams haka Jawaharlal Nehru Sports Complex Hashilong hakish potrik uno pra arajar arpusau. Bad an peren kam da ki kor ki bor kejuk ke bementa bahkan amdan kano ke jingta ne ke jing snew jong kamadan ni lakai. Ulang baki kor ki bor kejuk ki badan menta ki ailat dia berok koi kamadan ni lakai ke bami pelang ban atap de kerensan kerpang ban yo ke jingada. Kaban pentikna bagi padba ken am yo ban yu plang ne ban pen snew bat ke sarkar kan pentikna bagi nong peniat ka konsert kin bot renti da ka bependan kam da ki kor ki bor banada ya kamadan ni lakai ban lat na kanu ke jing snew ne ke jing jon. Ulang ba kejingkit klik kan dai ginong peniat bakin pentri kam ya kan kerensan bat ke sarkar kan kemi benia ki kor ki bor ke ban pendan kam ban pentikna bagi ban longkat kum ka kendon ka labo haswa ban aya ke jing munjur.
If you look all over the world, not just in India, large stadiums, across the world, whether it's a football stadium or cricket stadium, they're always used in terms of having large gatherings and even concerts. Technologies are available today in the market where the entire natural turf is actually covered by a certain platform. And that platform is there, which will ensure that people don't stamp on the natural turf and destroy the grass. So these are platforms that are put there, very strong, very firm. These are, as I said, international level technology, which is used all over the world. That will be used again in Jain Stadium to ensure that the natural turf is protected. And obviously, the entire responsibility will be given to the organizers to ensure that particular platform is seen, and we will obviously double check the technology, and only after our satisfaction is there by the department that we will allow it. But we have seen this technology being implemented throughout the world, and therefore rest assured there will be no damage to the natural turf. Whatever little spots that will be affected because the platform will be put in place, those will be recovered within 7 days, and that's the normal procedure that's followed throughout the world. Reason why we're doing this is because obviously the investments that we have made in these kind of infrastructures, we would like to see that they are used for multiple purposes. And therefore, we can raise the revenue, and overall we can see the utility of the space and the investments being made. And therefore, we have agreed to this based on the condition that the technology of putting platforms to protect the natural turf will be implemented by the organizing committee.